I don't understand why nobody uses WD-40 like this. Here are some brilliant tricks that will make your home and everyday items look like new again. The first one is a trick for perfectly clean windows. Grab a Swiffer and a regular microfiber cloth. Turn the Swiffer upside down and tuck the cloth into the built-in slots. Then lightly spray it with WD-40 and thoroughly wipe the glass. It helps remove dirt, fingerprints, and leaves your windows looking extra shiny. The next trick is for window sills. Pull back the curtains and remove any plants from the sill. Then generously spray a cloth with WD-40 and rub it into the surface. This creates a protective layer, so dust and dirt settle much more slowly, keeping the windowsill clean and glossy for longer. Got dirty suitcase wheels? Spray them thoroughly with WD-40 and wipe them down with a cloth. Repeat the process on all the wheels. It helps remove grime and makes the wheels spin much more smoothly. Your suitcase will work almost like new again. Another great trick is refreshing rubber shoes or boots. Spray the rubber surface with WD-40 and then buff it with a soft cloth. The rubber will regain its shine and look like new. Use the Swiffer and microfiber cloth once again. Lightly spray the cloth and wipe down the exterior of your refrigerator. This makes it much easier to remove greasy marks and fingerprints, leaving your fridge looking freshly cleaned. Another fantastic use is cleaning the bottom tracks of windows and patio doors. That's where dust, sand, and other debris usually build up. Spray a small amount of WD-40 into the tracks and wipe them thoroughly with a cloth. It helps loosen stubborn dirt and allows windows and doors to slide much more smoothly. 1 can of WD-40, so many uses. Thanks to these simple tricks, many things around your home can regain their shine and look almost brand new again. I no longer buy Swiffer floor cleaning cloths. I make them myself, and this trick will save you a lot of money. When you run out of those wet cloths, you can use the dry ones if you moisten them with a solution. But for floor cleaning, you'd need to use 2 cloths. I definitely prefer using reusable microfiber cloths. They work great for dusting when dry. To make them more effective, prepare an empty Swiffer cloth box or any other sealable container. Pour in 250 milliliters of water, then add 125 milliliters of vinegar. The vinegar will help remove all the dirt from the surfaces. Next, add a tablespoon of citric acid. Mix everything so the citric acid dissolves. Place folded cloths into the container. Press them down gently. Then squeeze and flip them over. Leave them for at least 30 minutes. Now it's time to try this trick. Take out a cloth, attach it to your Swiffer, and wipe the floor. Not only does it pick up all the dust, but also notice how shiny your floor looks. I've stopped using disposable cloths, and I hope you'll stop too after trying this trick. Here's how you can refresh any wall without painting. It will be clean, free from dust and dirt. It turns out that Swiffer isn't just great for cleaning floors. I've discovered another excellent use for it, and I'm sure you'll start using it too. Cleaning your home has never been this enjoyable. Start by grabbing your Swiffer and attaching a dry dusting cloth to it. Thoroughly wipe down the walls. You might not see it with the naked eye, but they really are dusty. Just take a look at the cloth afterward. Next, prepare a bowl of warm water and add a bit of dish soap. Prepare it as if you were about to mop the floor. Take a microfiber cloth, soak it in the soapy water, and then wring it out well. It's important not to apply too much water to the wall. Now, attach the microfiber cloth to the Swiffer and use it to wash the wall. You'll clean it thoroughly without much effort. You can see that besides dust, my wall had some dirt too. Now it looks as if it has just been freshly painted. Your windows will be spotless thanks to using a sanitary pad. All you need is a regular mop and one pad. Remove the pad from its packaging and stick it onto the mop. The surface of the pad absorbs water and dirt perfectly. Spray it with your favorite glass cleaner and wash all the windows in your home. This method allows you to reach even hard-to-access high places. The pad effectively soaks up excess liquid, leaving your windows shiny and streak-free. It works better than many professional tools. This way, you can quickly and easily clean all your windows without any effort. Instead of using it in the dishwasher, try it for cleaning. Dampen a cloth, attach it to a Swiffer, and your home will shine. This trick adds shine to cleaned surfaces, prevents buildup of dirt and water stains, and eliminates moisture issues on tiles. Thanks to this mixture, your home will feel fresh. Grab a regular cloth and a Swiffer mop. Prepare a bowl of lukewarm water. Add a bit of dishwasher rinse aid. Any standard one from the store will do. Soak the cloth in the solution, then wring it out well so it's damp, but not dripping. The cloth is now ready. Attach it to your mop and start cleaning the bathroom tiles. Even the high ones near the ceiling that are hard to reach. It removes dust and adds a beautiful shine. Rinse the cloth as needed and move on to the next section. You can also clean kitchen tiles this way. They'll shine like new, and it doesn't stop there. This mixture also works wonders on smooth furniture. Use it to clean tall kitchen cabinet fronts or wardrobe doors. They'll look glossy, just like when they were brand new. Cleaning your home has never been this easy and enjoyable. No more climbing ladders. First, grab a bucket and fill it with about a liter of lukewarm water. Add some dishwasher rinse aid. Soak a microfiber cloth in the prepared mixture, then wring it out well. Now, simply attach the cloth to your Swiffer mop. Use this to clean your windows. No need for a ladder. Just rinse the cloth occasionally for the best results. Since discovering this trick, I've completely stopped using window cleaner. It also works wonders in the bathroom. The rinse aid makes tiles shine beautifully and is perfect for cleaning shower doors. After using it, water won't leave streaks. It will just slide right off. You have to try it yourself. I'm sure you'll love it. I always keep this in my car. Thanks to it, I save a lot of time and avoid unnecessary stress. It turns out that it's worth keeping a Swiffer in your vehicle. I keep mine under the driver's seat so it's always within easy reach. First, take a Swiffer and attach a regular microfiber cloth to it using 2 rubber bands. Keep this prepared mop in your car at all times. When your windows get dirty during a trip, it reduces visibility, which can be quite dangerous. That's why this simple tool works perfectly. For even better results, spray the cloth with glass cleaner and clean your windows. They'll become crystal clear, improving visibility on the road, even in difficult conditions. One major advantage of this trick is that, after shortening the handle, the mop can also clean the inside of the windshield. Use it to wipe down the dashboard as well, where a surprising amount of dust often accumulates.